To transfer money internationally using your BOTIM app, open the app and tap on international transfer. As you can see here on the screen, guys, I already have 2 beneficiaries that I can send money to. If this is your first time, simply tap here on this plus button, okay? Select the country that you want to send money to. For the sake of this video, let me select India. So go ahead and select whether you want to use a bank transfer, a UPI transfer, or a cash pickup. This will only apply if you want to send money specifically to India. But if you want to send to any other country, of course, you have options of a bank transfer, cash pickup, and even other mobile wallets. So enter the amount that you want to send in dirhams. You will see the exchange rate right here. For every 1 dirham, we'll get 23.970 rupees. Review the exchange details, and once you are satisfied, tap on the send money button. Select the purpose of this transfer, and again, guys, confirm the source of your funds. I already selected salary, so tap on the confirm button. Lastly, review all the transfer details, including the amount you're sending, the exchange rate, and how much your beneficiary will receive. To finalize this BOTIM money transfer, simply tap on the pay button. As you can see here on the screen, we have different payment methods. It's very easy. You can add any credit or debit card simply by tapping here on add payment method. Or you can activate the BOTIM send now and pay later money option. This is one of the easiest way to get a loan and send money back home right now. Pay back later in a few months. The video on the screen will guide you. To complete this transaction, you can also add money into your BOTIM wallet and use BOTIM Pay. But for the sake of this video, let me simply use my Apple Pay. So once you have selected your preferred payment method, again tap on the pay button and then confirm this transaction. As you can see here on the screen, my transaction has been successfully initiated. Simply tap here on the OK button and you'll be automatically taken onto the transfer details page where you can track the status of your transfer. You can also download your invoice or your receipt. Your beneficiary will receive the money within just minutes. So guys, this is how you make an international transfer using the BOTIM app. If you don't have an account yet, the video on the screen will guide you.